Hi, Vic here, another episode about product design. And for today, I will teach you how to get started as product designer. So napakaraming references, courses, books, and articles that will teach you how to get started as product designer. And at the same time, marami din kailangang matutunan sa field na to. So I'd like to point out specific things that I think will help you get a competitive advantage sa path mo to become a product UI UX designer. And this is purely based on my experience and analysis of current product design roles. Okay, so how to start with product design? Product design, or lagay natin UI UX designer. Pangit ang sulat ko. Anyway, so yun nga, gusto kong maging specific sa ituturo ko na steps na pwede nyong gawin. And yung first step na isasuggest kong gawin nyo is to learn Figma. So Figma is a design tool, and take note, there's a lot of product design tools na pwede mong gamitin, pero this is something that I know will give you that advantage. So this is also designed for someone who is just starting out, and right now product design requires collaboration with team, prototyping, and you need to be able to deliver high fidelity mockups. And yung Figma, it will allow you or will provide you those specific things. And under Figma, I'd like you to learn two specific things. So, okay, let's break it down to two items. The first one is UI design. Well, from my previous video of explaining what product UI UX design is, sinabi ko na yung UX is the experience of a user while interacting with the UI. So, napaka-importanteng bagay na ma-build up yung UI skills mo. And for starters, I would suggest you to copy existing apps. So, pumili ka ng mga apps na, yung mga magagandang apps, yung commonly used, and then maraming users. Gayanin mo yung UI nila everyday, like Gmail, Spotify, banking apps, eBay, or whatever you can think of. Learn how they design their UIs, color combinations, fonts, and usage of elements until you get to that point na kaya mo ding gumawa nung designs na of that same level. And alongside with that, learn design system. And two popular design systems that is widely used in product design field are, first one is HIG, or Human Interface Guidelines. Siya yung design system ng Apple. Doon malalaman mo kung paano gamitin yung elements, kailan mo gagamitin, ano yung font size na gagamitin mo for this specific purpose. And yun, dun familiarize yourself sa kanilang design language and try to understand how you can apply those design language in your own projects or UI designs. And another one is for Android, material design. Actually, meron ding gumagamit ng material design for web. Well, sa product design, hindi lang HIG or material design yung ginagamit. Pero ito lang yung suggestion ko na best place to start. Na it will give you that edge. Yeah, and that's actually it for the UI design part. Next one is for prototyping under Figma. Wrong spelling. Prototyping. Okay. Ano ba yung prototyping? So, a prototype is an early testable version of your product. So, sulat natin dito. Early version. So, dito, it only feels and looks like the actual app pero hindi siya coded. Siya yung mga set of screens or mock-ups na pwedeng i-navigate by tapping on specific part of the mock-ups. So, using that, you'll be able to test your ideas with you or your users. And then it will allow you to validate your ideas before going to the development. And Figma can provide you the quality of prototype that is enough to test your idea. That's why ito yung ginagamit namin actually. And one good tip that I can give to train your prototyping skills is try check existing apps and familiarize their flows. So, and with that, alamin mo yung mga, for example, you'd like to copy a flow of Messenger from how can you prototype sending a message. So, saan ba nagsisimula yung user to open Messenger app? And then, ano yung sunod nilang itatap para makapag compose ng message, and then what is the next step after that until you get to the final action or goal of the user, which is to send a message. So you have to familiarize yourself to their flow from the first touch points, including the transitions up to the final screens. So, yun yung suggestion ko doon. And actually, if you will be able to solidify your UI design and prototyping skills, that should be enough for you to you are already ahead of anyone who are just starting out in product design. Kasi ang goal natin dito is, sulat natin, goal. Ang goal na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo dito by learning Figma, UI design, and prototyping is, first, is strengthen your UI and prototyping skills. After that, you'll be able to qualify yourself for an entry level product design job or internship. Make yourself qualified for a job, and then once na hire ka, nasa organization or company ka na, try to learn their existing process. So in order for you to do that, so you'll be collaborating with them. You'll figure out user problems and research how you can solve those problems. And there are people who will be helping you to understand what needs to be done. And that's I believe that it is the fastest way for you to learn. It is to get people. It is for you to work with people na may experience na dun sa field na yon. And eventually, you'll find references about UX methods and how it can help you solve those specific problems. And then from there, improve the design process by understanding what works and which are not working well. Kasi one key to become a valuable product designer is to continuously collaborate and learn. So you have to continuously collaborate and learn to refine your process in solving user and business problems. Okay, so yun lang, recap. So para makapagsimula ka sa product UI UX designer, start ka sa Figma. Try available siya sa browser mo, sa Windows or Apple. And then under Figma, try to achieve this goal of solidifying your UI design skills by copying existing app UIs, understanding what design system is, familiarize yourself in HIG or Apple Design System and Material Design System. And that's for UI design. The other one is for prototyping under Figma. Ito yung early testable version ng product mo. Check existing app flows and try to familiarize yourself sa every touch points from the first touch points, including the transitions up to the final screens. And then ang goal natin dito is to strengthen your UI and prototyping skills, make yourself qualified for a job. And then kapag na-hire ka na, learn their existing process, try to ask as much as you can, and then collaborate with them, learn on how you can refine your process in solving user and business problems. That's it, and thanks for watching. So if you have questions about product UI UX design, so feel free to comment down below. If this video helps you, please pa-like na lang ng video para I hope na may mag-like, and wag niyo na din kalimutan na subscribe na din sa channel. That's it. Thank you and God bless.